weekly analysis on gold. So in this video I'll talk where I think the price will go in the next week. So let's talk about that. So in the previous week we could not invert this bearish the gap. So here we are still respecting the gap. So this is the key level for this week, and also this one, this inverse the gap. So in my opinion, unless we invert this gap, we will not see a continuation higher. We also have these other daily bearish the gap. So these are the two levels that we need to have our eyes on. So below this gap, and we are not ready for a continuation higher. And we also have this daily bullish the gap. So this level, if we want to see a continuation higher, and if we don't want to see more pain, this level must hold. So here I'll also mark some important levels. So for this week we have this high and this low. We also have this important low. So the plan for this week is very simple. The first bullish plan is that we invert this gap. So this level must get inverted if you want a continuation higher. As I said before, below this gap, and we are choppy, and we can maybe continue lower. So this level must get inverted in order to go higher. And I would also like to see these inverted the gap get reclaimed again. So here we are in a very important place. Here we need to hold this level and invert this gap if we want continuation higher. And my bearish plan is that we lose this level, and then if you lose this level, I will really expect a continuation lower. But here we are just consolidating in the range. I don't expect anything crazy to happen. Before this reverse further gap, I would expect a sweep at least here, something like this. So we sweep here, then we have a candle closure above, and then after this sweep, and if we have a bullish reaction, I think that we will be ready to invert this gap, but we never know. But honestly, I don't expect anything crazy for the week. But if this bearish gap gets inverted, I will expect a continuation higher. And if this bullish gap gets inverted, I will expect a continuation lower. But I expect this gap to get respected. But we never know, so keep that in your mind. So this is the two plans for the next week. We have this key level. We might also see a sweep here, and then we might see a continuation. Or if we see a sweep here with a candle closure respecting this gap, I think that we will see a continuation lower after, maybe to sweep this low. But let's see, so keep that in your mind. So bullish plan, bearish plan. So if you like the video and learn something with me, like and subscribe. And if you are interested on trading recaps, I post everyday trading recaps where I trade, and I post why I took the trade. So if you want to see the videos, wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow I will upload a trading recap. So if you like the video, like and subscribe, and see you tomorrow.